Ever wonder what happens when you press a key on your computer keyboard? How does it translate into an action on the screen? Well, let's delve into the magic inside the machine. When you press a key, it's like sending a secret message, a Morse code of sorts that your computer is designed to interpret. This code, known as binary, is a language of ones and zeros. The keyboard, an input device, captures your keystroke and triggers a complex electronic conversation. At the heart of this dialogue is the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, the brain of the operation. It interprets your keystroke, decides what needs to be done, and then executes the command. Once the CPU has processed the information, the display unit presents the results on your screen, making the invisible visible. So every keystroke sets off a chain reaction inside your computer, a whirlwind of electronic conversation in a language of ones and zeros. Now that we know the basic concept, let's delve deeper into the brain of the computer, the CPU. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is indeed the brain of the computer. It's where all the decisions are made, all the instructions are interpreted and executed. Think of it as the command center where all orders are dispatched. The CPU consists of two main components, the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. The control unit is like the conductor of an orchestra, directing all other parts of the computer system. It interprets the instructions from the software and then tells the hardware what to do. On the other hand, the arithmetic logic unit is where all the mathematical operations and logical operations are performed. It's like a tireless mathematician, crunching numbers and solving logic puzzles all day long. In a nutshell, the CPU is the mastermind, making sense of all the inputs and orchestrating the outputs. But a computer is more than just hardware. What about the software? Software is like the conductor of this symphony, directing the hardware orchestra to play the sweet melodies of functionality. It's the instructions, the code, that tells the hardware what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Consider the operating system. It's the maestro of this digital ensemble. It acts as a bridge between the hardware and the user, translating your commands into a language the hardware can understand. Clicking an icon to open a program might seem simple to us, but behind the scenes, the operating system is hard at work, directing the hardware to make it happen. Now, think of applications as the sheet music. They are tools designed for specific tasks such as word processing, image editing, or web browsing. Each application instructs the hardware in unique ways to perform its specific function. So a computer is a symphony of hardware and software, working together to make our digital lives possible.